Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi dengan channel 47 Rebong. Pada video kali ini kita akan berjalan-jalan mengelilingi atau menyusuri kegiatan-kegiatan yang ada di dealer resmi Yamaha yang ada di Jalan Poros Lutang Majene. Oke, untuk kawan-kawan semua, pada kali ini kita cuma akan melihat-lihat kesibukan. Oke, setelah 1 bulan kita tidak mengupload video karena ada beberapa kendala tersendiri. Jadi ya mohon maaf, pada hari ini kita akan mengupload satu video tentang kesibukan yang terjadi di dalam dealer ini. Untuk itu saya kira kawan-kawan bisa menikmati videonya, di mana video kali ini kita akan melihat beberapa unit yang sudah laku, yang sudah dijual, yang akan kita antar ke tuannya. Ada beberapa motor seperti Fino, Nmax, apalagi ini Vixion dan lain-lain sebagainya. Oke, kita lihat saja keseruannya bagaimana. Tetap stay di channel 47 Rebon, channel kebanggaan rakyat Indonesia.
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.